I don't think that owning a lot of stuff has ever made me feel peaceful. If anything, it just makes me feel like I'm constantly playing catch up with my room. And lately, while preparing to become a wife, I've realized that I just don't want to carry this burden into marriage. So today, I am deep cleaning my room. My plan is to declutter a lot of what I own in order to have a more peaceful, calm room that I can actually maintain easily. I'm not doing any of this because I think owning things is bad. I am so grateful for my belongings, but since cleaning out my closet, I have found that obviously owning less means less stress, and in my case, more creativity. And I'm really excited to be able to live with minimal amounts and let my creativity and my peacefulness just flow through this entire room. I used to think that something was wrong with me and I just needed to be better at cleaning, but lately I realized I just own too much stuff and that's all it is. Especially in this tiny room, I own a lot of stuff. And I'm moving to an apartment that's about as small as this room. It's going to be a 1-bedroom apartment, so I don't want to have all of this stuff in that little apartment as well. When every surface, every corner of my room, and every drawer is full of belongings, cleaning becomes so overwhelming and nothing seems to have a home. Therefore, every time I clean, my room never even looked clean. And because of this, as long as I can remember, I've been in a cycle of letting my room get terribly messy and then spending 1 to 2 days deep cleaning the entire thing. But I never got rid of stuff, so it still maintained this same cycle of very quickly getting dirty and then taking a long time to clean. I don't want to feel like I am constantly playing catch up with my belongings. A lot of the things I own is because I like to craft and I keep thinking I might want to use this item for a craft someday, but I'm going to be brutal and just get rid of a bunch of stuff, and if I end up wanting to do a craft project, I can very easily repurchase, re-thrift, or rediscover whatever it was that I have, because I certainly will not use everything in my room for some creative thing throughout my lifetime. It's time to tackle under the bed. This is where most of my stuff resides. I've been looking for this crochet hook everywhere. When I walk into a cleaner, more intentional space, I immediately feel calmer, and I am craving to have that calmness instead of chaos here in my bedroom. And when I own too much, I appreciate my belongings less. I forget what I have, and my favorite items get buried under everything else. But when I have less stuff, I will use everything more fully. I will take better care of what I own, and belongings will stop feeling so disposable. I've got a couple clothes to try on quick and decide if I'm keeping any. I know that simplifying will also make me a lot more grateful, because instead of thinking about what I could have, I will appreciate what I already do have, which right now is a scary thought for me because the idea of having less seems like I would be less grateful. But I know in the long run, especially from my Bible studies, that having less of high quality items will bring about the gratitude that is actually spiritually sound, instead of a consumerism or worldly gratitude for a mass amount of belongings. Because I don't want to spend the rest of my future, or make my fiance spend his future, constantly stressing over clutter and what we have to clean. I'd much rather spend our time serving each other, serving other people, and serving the Lord, really gaining memories and doing something worth doing, instead of just picking up after Heather and all of her belongings. I think that's definitely a big one for me. Since being my fiance, I've definitely learned the value in eternal and heavenly gifts above and beyond anything that I can make with my own hands. I'm very excited to be able to focus on that and not my belongings. While thinking about all of this, I started to research a little bit about what the Bible says about possessions and contentment. Hebrews 13:5 says, "Keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have." And here, another Bible verse: life does not consist in an abundance of possessions. There are so many verses I actually found while reading that just really humble a person and remind them of the importance of good heavenly gifts and actions, and that our worth is not in possessions. All that to be said, we are meant to enjoy our lives and enjoy our possessions, but it's just about where's your heart at. And I recognized that my heart was definitely not in the right place before, and it was weighing me down, and I felt like it was causing a gap between me and the Lord, and I couldn't communicate with him as easily because I was feeling so weighed down with my possessions. Now I feel so light and free, and I'm really excited to maintain that. I still have a long way to go in learning how to take care of my belongings and maintain a peaceful environment, but I think this is a good start.